What is going on, guys? It's Meech again, and we're about to get ready to pack up. Today is my last day. Some people are staying another night here at this hotel, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit the road after today. It's been a journey, man. I've felt things I never felt before. Shout out to Sean at Dream Cars Daily, man, for setting this all up, man. You know, really cool guy, man. I almost definitely be here next year with some bigger and better, I promise you. Anyways, man, we're supposed to meet in the parking lot at 9:45, and it is 9:29, so I gotta get going. Shoot, I walk outside, I see the slammed S5. Man, that's that Kentucky stuff, bro. Who slams the S5? Bro, I don't know if I showed y'all because my camera died yesterday, but look at this. Look at this. Caked. My wheels are caked in dirt. Well, not this one. Yeah, the right side, because there's a lot of hard right turns. Caked. Yeah, I'm gonna get like a probably wanna head back to Michigan, but yeah, when I get back, I'm probably gonna have to get up all up under there. Y'all can see. Yeah, caked. But yeah, man, it was really me, Sophia, and Kevin, but he left this morning. He had to go to work. But yeah, man, I'm gonna miss these guys, man. Everybody was cool. We had a couple laughs. You know what I'm saying? I know the whole thing happened with Sean, but you know, that's all right. Dog, just look at this. Oh no, that wasn't good. Yeah, golly, man. But yeah, man. And the wheels don't even look silver anymore. They look black. Like, this car looks, bro, this low-key looks harder if the wheels were black. Like, for real. Gotta leave. This is insane, man. Yeah, they look like black rims. Anyways, I'm about to go meet up with them in the lobby. They're chilling and stuff. Probably gonna, you know, kick it with them. Maybe eat a little bit of breakfast. Who knows? Oh, that's right. So they actually called the cops? No way.
And I mean, right?
No way. Yeah, dog was like in like he was in the lobby like just talking to us and like last night. Yeah. Yeah, he pulled the gun. He was like, no way. Hey, this is some I don't even know. This some most wanted.
He's trying to tell everybody she was a cap gun, but
if it was a cap gun, it needs an orange cap on it to prove that it's not a real weapon. And those things still hurt.
If
I hear shut off, my car right here. I don't know.
What's that? I know this ain't a cap gun. He better not fuck around.
Right, like. No, nobody else is with him. Nobody else is with him. So we're about to head out right now. I'm about to give you guys a cold start. I haven't given you guys a cold start all rally, all weekend. So I'm gonna give y'all one right now. Oh, yeah, totally. I low-key do need a passenger. She ain't lying. So we just up here at the speedway. We had to stop because they got into some road rage with some woman in a Civic. I believe it was a Civic or Versa. I don't know, but they wouldn't let us over for like 3 miles. and like they were like low-key trying to, like they were low-key going at it. So we just stopped here. I had to go grab gas anyways. Hey.
Right away. What's that?
Oh my god.
Is it pro charger?
It's pro charge.
Right away.
How much does it take?
What?
I was like, how much is it?
About down to here usually. What, how come you went with the pro charger?
I mean, they're kind of like both. It's kind of like both a pro charger and a super.
Oh, wow. Another car that actually sounds that way. Yeah.
Man, this is hard for real, no cap. Pro charge, cts-v, comment down below. So, explain what happened.
So she's driving in front of us, going fast as fuck with us. So we thought she was cool, and Amir tries to get up and like play with it, like, oh, 3, 2, 1, like send it. And she's like, fuck you, giving us hearts and shit, not letting us pass. And I'm like, okay, well that's fine. We'll just go around you on the shoulder. And we did, and then she slowed down and like kept fucking with us. So.
Welcome to Kentucky.
I put us behind, so we're
Yeah,
gonna go.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, let's get man, we're about to head out, man. I love you guys, man. I can't wait to come next year. Hope everyone comes next year. So we're here grabbing gas at the Speedway. One of the guys who is driving the black CO6, I guess his car had no power, so I think they're getting their car towed, and they're just like heading home. They're from Michigan, so it's gonna be a drive for them. So yeah, man, now we're down to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then 6. It was just 7 of us, but now 6. You know what I'm saying? Caddy's still, you know, doing me good. I can hear my tires rubbing, it's like a slight on my turns, cause I'm fat, like I'm huge, like I'm big, you know. So of course, you know, my tail end gon', you know, make a little noise, but you know, it is what it is. I'm getting grip. That's all that matters. Man, if y'all haven't liked the video already, man, come on, bro. You already know the deal about like, comment, subscribe, all that. Follow me on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start posting on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. It's the same username all across all platforms. You know what I'm saying, man? Bro, we up, man. 2023, bro. We up. Like, not down, not vertical. I mean, not horizontal. We vertical. We going up. Stop playing with me. So we made it to Rebecca's old regular church.
It's my church.
Yeah, she has her very own church.
I have my own old regular.
Oh, you're regular, not old Baptist, not regular Baptist, old regular. Old regular. I'm gonna quickly look at everyone's car real quick before they go. So. Alright, so we just got done about to leave. I ain't gonna lie, this place low-key kinda gave me dang bro, hold on. I gotta do my outro. This place low-key kinda gave me Cracker Barrel vibes, no cap. Yeah. So but we about to head back to, we're already gonna go through the roads. Might have like a detour or something, but yeah, I think after this, our next destination will probably be like for them the hotel, but for me and the other guy, Amir, the guy in the right behind me, we're gonna head to Michigan. So yeah, man, you already know about to strap this on to my head. You know, cause you know I'm strapped up like a. Let me shut up. But no, yeah, I'll tell y'all back on when we get. Been doing a whole bunch of that all day. I gotta put y'all down. So the V is smoking, literally. Just getting put in it. right now. All right, I should be good to go. Hopefully, no more smoke. But I'm not overheating, so I really don't know what the issue was. I mean, I don't know what the issue was. I didn't have enough oil, but it should have started overheating or something. I'm not sure. Dog. Dog. Ain't no way, man. I'm gonna have to drive home. Like, what? Dog, stop! Stop, son. Damn. Stop. No. All right, now y'all fucking with me, right? Dog.
Hey, don't worry, I'm not that man.
Chill out.
I'm not that man.
This is your first rally, right?
Yeah.
We just wanted you to remember your first rally.
I'm gonna remember
Now
it
it'll be with you forever.
forever and ever and ever.
Minimum of 3 years.
Is there any in my back seat? There is. Oh boy.
It's in your vent.
Hey, look, I got
Literally open your
I lost 2 races and now I gotta deal with this.
You're gonna turn your around. Pieces are gonna fly out at you.
I have my vision's
If
a
it
little.
makes you feel better, I'll go race you in the Versa.
That won't help. That won't help at all. No way. Well. Hold on, let me.
Oh, we'll be cleaning that up.
I'm not as mean as them. I have one, but I'll get them back one day.
All right, now I'm gonna lock it. Nah, it's getting locked. Oh, hold on, let me close my trunk. Hold on. Bro, y'all looking at? Okay, that's cool.
Matthew.
Watch out, bro. Bro, I got picked on, bro. Well, this is a good end to the video, man. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, all that. Thank you to Sean for the great rally. I appreciate it. I'm most definitely gonna be here next year.
What did you do with the 2 that you had?
To what?
I gave everybody 2 of these.
Oh, in the bag. Yeah, I didn't get one. No, I didn't.
You didn't get a bag?
No. Yeah, that first day, no. I was editing my video. I walked out. I forgot to grab a bag.
Oh no.
That's okay. Well, yeah, I signed the waiver. Yeah.
Oh, the waiver agrees to having that shot in your car?
No.
Oh, you didn't get. Okay.
No, I didn't.
There you go. Shit, that sucks.
Oh, it's okay.
They gave Matthew a bag, so I've got the.
It's all right. It's all cool. Yeah. But all right, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.
Well, it's